Oyagala omukolo gw'ogwenjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo? Kankwanjulire ba King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo. Ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: noti 7 noti 2 emu noti 4 emu 25 oba noti 755 3 731 oba noti 777 noti 23 4 noti 5. King Montage Photo Studio. Ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.
Abantu babadde balaba akalulu ke Kayunga nga bagamba lindako nakuba bawulira nakwedde ayinza okuba omusajja, balaba mukazi ogalindako omukazi ndi mukazi otuweeseza nnyo ekitiibwa n'okusingira ddala oweeseza abakyala ekitiibwa. Ekyo bulijjo kye mbagamba nti revolution etalimu bakyala ebeera nfu. Otulaze nti omukyala asobola otukulembera mu lutalo ne tumugoberera. Gwe omukazi atalina munene nnyo kwenkana bali ababbi ez'omusomo obadde osuza Museveni. Where we are now goes further to show us the realities of our country. Museveni, in my view, is at his lowest of morality. In the past, he would use some sense at least. But now, he is all out. I was wondering when one of the speakers addressed Museveni as President Museveni. He's not president. If he is, what am I? Museveni is not president. Museveni has never been elected to be president of Uganda. Never in history. Museveni is a rebel that took up arms against what he called a rigged election. But history shows us it was not even 10% as rigged as he rigs elections today. So this is a rebel, and rebels are characterized with three things, among others. That is lying, that is stealing, and that is killing. So for anybody who expects Museveni to behave like a statesman, you surprise me. We said it in the past. We're not just realizing who Museveni is, we're only realizing how low he's prepared to go. But we knew that he was a crook. We knew that. And we told the world when we were going for the 2021 elections, we told them that we do not expect Museveni and his rigging machinery to announce us. You all saw Byabakama and the way he was conducting himself, right from when he, together with the police, denied us opportunity as provided by the law to go around the country consulting, and the consequent things he did, including blocking us from campaigning within the campaign. So we did not expect Byabakama to declare us, but we went ahead to go into the election because we told them that either we will get our victory announced, declared, or we will be able to use this election, the 2021 election, to open the eyes of the people of Uganda and expose the regime to the maximum. That we did. But as if that was not enough, Museveni gave us yet another opportunity. He did not wait for us to expose him. He exposed himself. The coward that Museveni is, I get disturbed when they call him a general. What kind of general is such a coward? What kind of general that cannot face a moral fight, a moral contestation? He surrounded my house, put me under house arrest, and I said, look at this. I did not step a foot in Kayunga, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody was in Kayunga. Billions of state resources were deployed in Kayunga. We beat Museveni hands down. Museveni, we beat you hands down. I challenge you to one election, even in your home district, a free and fair election. We beat him. We beat him so bad to an extent when they said, okay, now we don't care what the world thinks. We don't even care what our families think. And that's what they did. So we are not here just crying foul. We are here to reassert ourselves to the world, to the nation, but also to laugh at you, Mr. Museveni. Shame on you. Friends, I want you to know that this time around, like in the recent past, Museveni is trying as much as possible to discourage us from elections. You saw what he did earlier on this year, went for the elections. But even when we took a case to court, he gave yet another opportunity to the courts. The people of Kayunga, Museveni has special interest in that place. Some of us will pay attention to history. You would realize why he even blocked Kabaka from going to Kayunga. The leaders of Kayunga know how rich Kayunga is in terms of gold, in terms of natural resources, land, forests, etc. And you know how much your land has been targeted for land grabbing. So Museveni wants to take over Kayunga under whatever circumstances. The chairperson of Kayunga, the newly elected chairperson, Madam Nakwede Harriet Kafero, has told us that he's going to court. I shared with her, I told her that people power, our power, kunga na kwede kunga, kunga na kwede kunga. Kazi goli wa.
Oyagala omukolo gw'enjawulo gubeere n'ebijjukize mu nnyumba yo kankwanjulire King Montage Photo Studio ffe bakafulu mu kkuba ebifaananyi n'okukola video. Olina wedding, birthday party, kukyala, nika, baby shower, photoshoot oba music shoot na buli kimu kyonna ky'oyagala ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi eri ebirooto byo ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo. Tusange Bannankulabe ku Bitaala ku Prime Tower Level 3 Room D04. Okumanya ebisingawo tukubire ku nnamba zino: Note 7 Note 2 emu Note 4 emu 25 oba Note 755 3 731 oba Note 777 Note 23 4 Note 5. King Montage Photo Studio ffe tusobola okuwa ebijjukize ebirungi ate nno mwana wattu kusintiiza omuntu wa bulijjo.